Graphs are a way to see data more easily, or in other words, a way to simplify data. So one of the things that needs to be on a graph is the display of data in the form of percentages. How do I create or display it on an Excel chart? We can only display percentages on pie charts or circle charts in Excel, because the percentage feature is not provided on bar charts and others. The way to display it is very easy, friends. First, make a circle graph from the data that you have. Then friends, select the Design menu found in Chart Tools. In the Layout section, to display or display percentages on the chart, friends, choose Layout 1, Layout 2, and Layout 6. Choose according to your needs.